Hey everyone, my name is Omar with eXp Realty, and in this video, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of home ownership in Austin, Texas. Buying a home can be a major decision, and it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages before you make the leap. First, let's talk about the pros. Number one, building equity. Home ownership can help you build wealth over time as the value of your property increases and you pay down your mortgage. Number two, tax advantages. Owning a home comes with certain tax benefits, such as the ability to deduct mortgage interest from your taxable income. Number three, predictable expenses. Unlike renters who face the risk of rent hikes, homeowners with a fixed rate mortgage enjoy predictable monthly payments, making it easier to budget and plan for the future. Number four, freedom to make changes. When you own a home, you have the freedom to make changes and improvements that suit your style and needs. Number five, sense of community. Homeowners tend to be more invested in their communities, and owning a home can give you a sense of stability and belonging. Now, let's talk about the cons. Number one, maintenance costs. Homeownership comes with maintenance costs, and it's important to budget for things like repairs, landscaping, and home improvements. Number two, limited flexibility. Owning a home can tie up your finances and make it more difficult to relocate for work or personal reasons. Number three, fluctuating home values. There's no guarantee that your home will increase in value, and you may be subject to market fluctuations that impact your equity. Number four, financial obligation. When you own a home, you are responsible for making mortgage payments no matter what, which can be a source of stress if you experience financial hardship. Number five, buying isn't always cheaper than renting. While homeownership can be a good investment, over the long term, it's not always cheaper than renting, especially in high-cost areas like Austin. So those are the pros and cons of home ownership in Austin, Texas. It's important to weigh these factors carefully before you decide to buy a home. If you're ready to explore your options, give me a call. I'll have my number in the description. I'd be happy to help you navigate the home buying process and find the home of your dreams. As always, my name is Omar with eXp Realty, and I'm here to elevate your lifestyle. Thanks for watching.